Man, this place is a mess. Looks like somebody was in here trying to hang this motorcycle up or put it up on the sketchy box, but it didn't fall, so that's pretty cool. Okay, garage is acceptable. Probably get dirty in about 15 minutes, that's all it takes. Just threw that little shiny cover back on. I did a time-lapse video of the other day. And I think I'm gonna try to get this motor off. And we'll have a little chat here, guys. All right, so I enjoy doing these videos. I appreciate the views and subscribers I've got to this point, but I'm not a professional. This is gonna be very amateur and pretty awkward for me in the beginning. So this, talking to you in my garage by myself, not natural, but we're gonna figure it out. I don't know if this is gonna be like a vlog style channel. I don't really know, but if I can get views and it makes sense, I'm gonna keep doing it. And yeah, all right, enjoy the time lapse. Check that out. That looks real nice and clean, doesn't it? However, oil looks pretty bad. I mean, there's no milk, just a little bit of froth coming out, but I think we're gonna be okay. She's gonna run. I got faith. You guys got faith? All right, good. All right, little pro tip here. You may know this if you are familiar with these motorcycles, but I did absolutely zero research before I did this. If you want to take your engine off your old Honda CB, the frame just comes apart. I did not know that that was a thing, because I just noticed the welds here and I didn't know that it was actually just bolted. So what that does is kind of opens up and gives you a little bit of room here to wiggle out, because I was, as you probably have already seen, was riding the struggle bus pretty hard there. So go ahead and ruin that rag. Something tells me there's an easier way to do this. I do not recommend doing that way. We're just going to ignore that one. It's going to be an L for the day. I mean, it's a win. We got it up there, but nothing broke. Nothing broke. We're good. We're good. A little bit of extra stain here for my, extra stain for the workbench. That's what we'll say. It's all on purpose. It's all on purpose. All right. I think that's going to break if I let that rest on there. What do you guys think? Probably gonna put this back on that little motorcycle that I made, because I need to spray some greaser on this thing. Now we can see what we're working with at least. All right, and just in time, your wife is here. That means I gotta go. Been out here all day. Okay, how'd your Sunday go? This is how mine went. And it was sloppy, and that's Cujo, and he approves. So, got a time lapse coming for you guys, and we'll get this clean. And yeah, not a bad Sunday.